On to the next question. I just really wish to reiterate that you should use the information that is given. I know that the hypotenuse is 6. I know that angle B is 37. We should try to include these as much as possible to find all other information. Now, going forward here, this may be a little bit interesting, and there's going to be more than one way to do this. So, but the first piece of information is angle A, I think. Because I know that the sum of all angles add up to 180, so it's really 180 minus 37 degrees minus 90 degrees. Probably better to look at it as that A and B are complementary angles, and that calculation is just so much easier. 53 degrees. So that's angle A. Yay, let's celebrate that. Now, this 53 degrees, I've calculated. So I'm going to put it in purple. I should not try to use that over 37. 37 is such a much better angle of measure than 53. So now that I have this, so I have B and I have this. So this would be my new theta. This is going to be my hypotenuse. So likely what I would call this side then is my opposite. And this is my adjacent. And I could label this side as my adjacent as A, side opposite, label it as B, and my hypotenuse is C. I could simply set up my ratios. If I want to find my adjacent, I would use my hypotenuse and adjacent. So that would be my cosine ratio. So cosine is equal to my adjacent over my hypotenuse. Now this way I'm using that 6 and that 37. So cosine, I'm just going to plug in my value now, of 37 degrees is equal to A over 6. And what I get is A is equal to 4.79 4.79. I'd simply multiplied these two numbers. So that's A. I'm going to put a square around that because there's going to be a lot of information. Now, if I want to find side B is opposite, and I'm going to use hypotenuse. So that is the sine ratio. So sine theta is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. So again, the sine of 37 degrees is equal to my opposite over my hypotenuse. And what I get is B is equal to 3.611. Am I right? Oh, I definitely have a strong feeling that I'm right. If we look, the largest angle has the largest side across from it. The medium angle has the medium side across from it, and the smallest angle has the smallest side opposite. And that's it. Call it done.